Hey guys, it's Itshlengy. I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this really cute bra top, which you can rock with your jeans. Yeah, so if you are into fashion videos, then this channel is for you. And make sure to subscribe, and let's get to the video. So you're gonna need your material. You can pick any type of material you want, and you're gonna need, this is an elastic band. It's a designer elastic band which I bought at a local material store. As you can see, it's written radiate positivity, because I'm a positive person. I would say that. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the material in half, and then take the half, fold it in half again, because I'm going to create what is this, I'm going to create the bra. So I'm going to need a triangle. I'm going to make a triangle shape, so I'm going to have to cut it out. It has to be a triangle shape. As you can see, now I'm doing it to the other material because it has to be equal in size. Okay, so now I'm just going to have to cut the elastic band and try to insert it on the sides of the bra. So now I'm going to sew the bottom part of the bra, and I'm going to insert an elastic band so that the bra can, when I'm done sewing it, it can move freely. So now I've finished sewing it. Now I'm going to insert the elastic band inside the bra. So I'm done. Now the bra looks like this. Oh, I'm loving the process. So now I'm going to be pinning down the elastic band onto the bra so that I can sew everything together now, which is a process I'm not going to show you guys because my sewing machine is broken, and I'm going to be using my hands to sew, which takes time. So now I'm done pinning it down, pinning the elastic band. I'm going to insert the final elastic band at the back. So yeah, so now I'm done. I'm going to be sewing all the way from there. It's going to take me some time, but it's looking good. I love this top, this bra top. You can rock it with some jeans. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you've made it at the end of this video, please make sure to hit that like button and comment with a heart. Comment with a heart, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.